everybody, today we are going to be cutting open this alien, but we were gonna do the skeleton thing, but we decided not to because don't have a printer. Anyway, here's the alien thing. I'm gonna take it out of this case. Now the first thing we must give it a concussion. Then we must cut this thing open. And take out its rib, and then we must extract it immediately. Like that. This is a mother of a 100-year-old alien. This is the proper guts of it. And look, it just laid a baby. It just laid a little egg. Or as they call it, sack guts. Now you bring in some honey. And that's what it's in. I will put it in this plastic container.
My assistant will help.
And my assistant will help me. Now you bring in some honey. Ugh. And that's what we have. That's the rest. That's its gut. Darn it. Oh, no. And we got some more in here. And a little more, at least. I am scooping out the rest of this bloody alien flesh. And here is the rest. Ugh. And then, as you can see, a crystal sword. And we found some pretty unusual stuff in this alien. Put the slime in. Put the slime. Some slime in it. I'll put the thing in. Yes. Take the other ones out. No, there's one in there. Oh. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. The camera's gonna see it. And knocked out, we are going to draw the spit out of it. And that is the dissection of an alien hive egg. Ugh. And that is its head goo. And there's more in it. There's more head goo in it. Ugh. Right now, I am going to take out the rest of this abomination of terror. Head goo. And I will now scoop the rest out. I am putting the goo back. And there you have it, class. The alien of a flesh alien. And cut. Don't forget to like and subscribe.